Hello, and thank you for joining me today. For today's craft, we're going to be making this easy origami hummingbird. We're going to start with a square piece of paper. This one already has one diagonal fold in it because I used that diagonal fold to measure a square piece of paper from a letter-sized piece of paper, which is what you can do. So we're going to create a second diagonal fold in our paper here. Notice as I take care to line up the edges and to try and make sure that the crease is straight on the end. Then we're going to create a horizontal and a vertical fold, just like this. And you'll notice that I am making the diagonal and the vertical and horizontal folds opposite of each other, and that is so that I can create this diamond shape more easily. Now, from this shape, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in the wings of my diamond, the outside wings, to make a more pointed edge. Kind of one end of the diamond will be narrower than the other. I'm going to bring the edges into the center, and I'm going to do this on both sides of the paper structure. Now that I've done that, the paper should look like this. The next step will be to invert these folds that I just made. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the creases, I'm going to reverse these folds so that the paper is folded inward and not outward. Just like this, and bring it to a point at the end. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, as you can see, I'm using the folds that I've made, I'm just reversing them. Again, bring it to a point at the end. Make sure to straighten out all of my creases and folds. Alright, and then we have this diamond structure. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take one flap and bring it up. And then I'm going to, along the middle crease, fold the entire thing in half. Just like this. Bring it to the edge, which will create the body of our hummingbird. So I'm going to take the top here, and I'm going to fold it in like so to create the head. And I'm going to fold in the sides to make our beak of our hummingbird, or, more well-defined, slimmer point here. Okay. Like this. And the next thing I'm going to do to finish shaping the head, which you can use a pen or a pencil, I'm going to use a pen and cap here to kind of bring out the eyes. And my last step is to bring back these outside edges to create the wings. And ta-da! Easy origami hummingbird. As with any of our crafts, you can use any color size paper that's square. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again next week. Please visit us online at hcpl.net, as well as download the Overdrive or Libby app in order to check out our electronic materials, including ebooks and e-audiobooks. Also, please follow us on social media in order to keep updated on new content from the North Channel Branch Library and Harris County Public Library Systems. Thank you for watching.